Hey, in this video we'll talk about can you split screen on your iPhone iOS 26, and there's actually a way to do that. There were concepts of split screening. We've seen it on Android devices where you have your chat or something at the top, and at the bottom you have your app store. Unfortunately, we don't have it natively, but there's a few workarounds. So make sure you give the video, hit the video with a like because it really helps out. Did you do it? Thank you if you did. So you want to go on the App Store and you want to type in split screen, and there are a lot of apps that let you do that, and some of them are free, some of them are paid. One that works really well is actually this one, split screen dual window. And what it lets you do is, for example, right here, as you can see, you have the YouTube app, and at the same time you have this app, you have Twitter at the bottom, as you can see. So all of these options are actually really good alternatives on what you can do. You can watch music, browse the web, and other stuff. So dual window, this is the best alternative. If this video helped you out, give me a like. I want to see you in the next one.